Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily browse between different equalizer presets and choose them. And first we have to go to the engine like it's here, and then we have to click on our headphones. Here, as you can see, we have equalizer. Below that we have presets. We have to click on this, and here is flat, bass boost, smiley, focus, and our custom one that I've created in the previous video. After we chosen something, for example bass boost, we have to click save. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.